How to check the balance on Amazon gift card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for amazon.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and type on your profile icon, then tap on account. Inside account, scroll below, then tap on customer service. And then inside here, you'll then be able to find different option. You want to scroll below, then tap on something else. And now you want to go ahead and scroll below, then tap on I need help with something else. Now inside here, you will then be able to find an option that says start chatting. In my case, I don't have that option right now. You can also go ahead and tap on connect with associate, and then this will connect you to the Amazon live chat support. If prompted, you can go ahead and simply link your phone number or sign in to your account. In the chat window, type in check gift card balance and keep the conversation going until you are connected with a live Amazon representative. And that's it guys, they'll verify your account detail and provide your current gift card balance. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.